Hi folks at Pasco. I thought I'd show you something that I'm sure I'm not the only one, but in this time of synchronous, asynchronous teaching, learning, I'm using magnets to suspend or affix to my blackboard here. So let me show you a couple of things. First of all, the capacitor, this neodymium magnet, which we have in our robotics program, I don't even have to hot glue it. It's magnetically attracted to the back of this capacitor. I don't know if it changes the charging and discharging characteristics having a magnetic field present, but it makes for it attaches well to the board. Your light bulb holders, I hot glued a ceramic magnet to the back of it. It seems to work fine. If I had more of those neodymium wafers, but these seem to work fine. This might be a cheaper solution. Okay, that goes nicely. As far as the switches, just have a small neodymium magnet, hot glue. The battery holders, I used your Dynamics cart replacement magnets, 2 per battery holder, because they're kind of heavy, but 2 of them together. And here's the example where I've hot glued the 2 discs to the back of the battery holders. So as you can see, it makes it convenient to display circuits on the chalkboard for the students to see. And I'm probably going to start, next year in the classroom, we're going to do all our circuit work, schematics and designs on the chalkboard. Whether it's a whiteboard magnetic surface or the chalkboard, which is a magnetic surface. It's very convenient. So I just thought I'd share that with you. Have a nice day.